In this video we will show you how to auto-trigger another workflow. We will also show you how you can pass values from the original workflow to the triggered workflow. We will need two workflow forms. One is for the source workflow and the other is for the target workflow. The source workflow will trigger and pass values to the target workflow. For this video, we will use help desk form as the source. Service form will be the target. Now let's configure the trigger in FlowWave Connect. First, open the help desk workflow. We want to trigger service workflow to start when help desk form record has been approved, which happens at process state. So right-click on the process state and choose Trigger Process. Select Service Form as the target. Choose Approve for the action. We will set the trigger name as Trigger Service Workflow on approval. There are no other trigger records, so I'll leave the priority to default 1. Here we have trigger type. Trigger only will trigger the target process, which will run independently of the source process. Complete step will ensure that the chosen step in service workflow is completed before allowing help desk workflow to continue from process state. Complete process will ensure that the whole of service workflow is completed before allowing help desk workflow to continue from process state. Let's set trigger type to trigger only, so the two workflows will run independently once service workflow has been triggered. Next, we will configure the values to pass from help desk workflow to service workflow. Let's pass the issue field. Go to Mapping Fields tab. Set source form field as demo help desk issue and target form field as demo service issue. Click Add. Here, it's added to the table. Let's do the same for date, time, and description field. Save this trigger configuration. Next, save and publish the workflow. OK. Let's take a look in the portal. We will create a help desk form record. Submit the record, so it moves to process state. If you check, service form pending list is empty. Once we approve the help desk form record, we should see one record here in the service form pending list. Let's go back to the help desk form record. Set to approve. The help desk form record is now end. Back to the service form pending list. Here you can see, a service form record was auto-created showing that service workflow was triggered. Thank you.